Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Fire 7. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, scroll down and go to security and privacy. Enter screen lock passcode, enter your current passcode, and select between PIN and password. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select password. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.